Okay guys, I'm back with more evidence that this solution that I have been speaking of, this is the third video, that are getting these gnats out of my house. I have more evidence that you guys need to start making a solution. It's very easy, things that you keep around the house already, and nothing that you have to really go out and spend a whole bunch of money on. It's usual household products. So take a look at this and see how many gnats and fruit flies that I'm catching on a regular basis. And of course, I'm about to dump that cup and I'm about to make a fresh cup and refill it up again and put it right back in there on my kitchen counter. As I'm working sometimes on my computer, they just fly right across the computer screen because, you know, they're attracted to light as well. But they're also attracted to that smell of vinegar and that sugary smell, making it smell sweet. They are very attracted to it. That's why they keep getting there. How many did you count in that cup? Put it down in the comments. The video to how to make the solution will be linked to this video. And let me know if you guys try it. If you have an issue with gnats and fruit flies, you definitely should. I'll see you guys on the next video.